Hi, my pupils. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learn Teacher Iman channel. Today I will revise Unit 3 in Connect Grade 4. But before I will go to the revise today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel to send you new videos. I would like to say something for Grade 4 that I know that we have paragraphs in your book. I will later after I think the video of explaining the unit. I will make a video also about how to write a paragraph to know the kind of paragraph that you must know to know how to write to know how the different kinds of paragraph and the keywords that suitable for these paragraphs that, from the topics that we learned during the academic year. But let's go to our lesson today. Today our lesson is about what's our lesson today. Our lesson today is about the topic of our lesson today is about what? Why do we grow plants? Grow means cultivate plants. Cultivate. This is grow. As we took in the unit one, we took two words. We knew two words. We took raise and we took raise in unit one. In unit one, we took the word raise. We took the word raise, and we took raise and raise this used for what? For animals, as we told before, animals. We took raise with animals, and we took grow for what? For plants or crops. For plants or crops. Okay, for plants or crops. Or crops. Okay. The two words I would like to note very well. Okay, these two words. Let's go to our lesson. Here we have why do we grow plants? Let's go to know more about this topic. Here we have leaves. Leaves is plural and leaf is singular. This is singular and this is plural. I explained singular and plural in videos. You can go. You can rewatch. You can go to the videos and rewatch the video again to know what we talk about plural nouns and the changes of the plural nouns. Here we have leaf, F. We omit F and adding VES like this. Flower, seeds, soil, roots, and shoot. Let's go to answer the questions below. We use a space. We use the flower, seeds, leaves to grow new plants. When we want to new plants, what we can do? We put seeds on the land. So the answer it will be what? We use seeds. Grows under the soil. This is the soil. I can see this is the soil. So what one go under the soil? Roots. So I select which one I selected. I select this one. The soil, the flower, the shoot is a small plant. Which is a small plant? This one. So this one is a small plant. So I select the shoot. We eat or drink or water the plants to grow. What the verb here is suitable for this sentence? We water the plant. Water is used as a noun. As water we drink it, and water we can the water that we use water for planting flowers. Okay, trees have a lot of green what? Green leaves without thinking. Tomatoes have roots, seeds, shoots, leaves inside. During the lesson, we know that tomatoes have what? Have seeds inside. We plant the seed and the plant grows. That is called information, fraction, germination, cutting. As we know this in this unit, the process of the plant is called what? The seed and the grows the plant is called what? Called germination. So let's answer the question below. Read and complete the text with the words in the box. Finish shoot, tomato, germination, sunlight. I would like to say a note, grateful. Sometimes we give you an extra word that is not in the sentence to examine your understanding. Okay, this do for examining our understanding. So let's go to answer the question. If we have an extra word that is can't have less, can't use it. Okay, let's answer the question below. Here we have the space process is awesome. Which one? Which one is the process? Germination. So I write it germination. Here we have germination. We put a seed in soil. The seed needs what? Needs what and water so it can grow. Needs what? Needs sunlight. So the plant needs what? Needs sunlight and need what? Need water and sunlight. So I put here sunlight. The seed grows roots under the seed grows roots under the soil. Then it grows a space and gets taller above the soil. It grows what? Grows a shoot. A shoot like we see in the previous pages in the picture. Okay, shoot. So this is that. Here is tomato can have a blood. No, I can't select the tomato because it's no sentence here. Okay. So you must know if you have an extra word, this is going what this is for examining your understanding. Let's go to another one here, another picture. Here we have some vocab also we learned during this lesson. We have lotus flower, we have tamrak, we have tamarch, we have tamarch, bean. Here is the misprinting. We have bean here, we have A, not T. We have bean, plant. Read, acacia. I think that we took acacia in last year in grade 3. Orange tree, sunflower, rose, and daisy. Okay. Rami is a space, tallest than Adam. As we explained before, I would like to explain this lesson again to give you to remember you of this lesson. Last class we explained the comparative form, the comparative, and this unit we took the comparative form. What is the comparative form? I will repeat it again. Comparative form means comparing between what? Comparing between two things or two things or person, two things or persons, not more than two. Okay, not more than two. But in superlative we have more than one. Here we have two persons, two things, two persons. Okay, this is the comparative. Okay, when we say what can I do this form by adding er plus then adding er to the adjective by them. Okay, can all adjectives can do like this? No, we have adjectives of more than one syllable as we took it last video. If you came to the video, revise what we told in this. The adjectives that have two syllables, like what? Like careful, like careful, like careful. We have here careful. We have here beautiful. We have here beautiful. We have here beautiful. We have beautiful. We have beautiful here. Beautiful. We have beautiful. Beautiful. I think beautiful. I think this is beautiful. Careful. careful, careless, comfortable, 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 comfortable. I'm listening to saying one telling me this Iman dangerous. Yes, dangerous. Also has more than one syllable. Dangerous. Yes, dangerous. All these adjectives with more than one syllable. What can I do? What can I do this adjective by adding what? By adding what? Using more adjectives. Then you can say more plus adjective plus then more adjective plus adjective more plus adjective plus then no adjective plus then. See, this is the adjective of more than one syllable like this. Okay, here we have the comparative between two things of person. This is in what? In adjectives of one syllable here. Adjectives of one syllable here. One syllable. Adjectives of one syllable. Okay, of one syllable. Adjectives of one syllable. Adjectives of one syllable. Okay, like what? Like tall, like short, like what? Like big. All these adjectives of one syllable. Adding er to the adjective and adding them. Here we have more adjectives. This is what? This is the comparative. Today we are explaining. I will explain also the superlative today. I would like to explain here to end from this lesson. In the superlative, what can I do? What I can do the superlative form? I will explain to you the superlative form. I will delete. I will omit this. I will change this board and write a new topic today. Here we have the superlative form. What can I do the superlative form? The superlative form. Superlative, superlative form of adjective. Superlative form of adjective. Adjective. Grade. What can we do this form? Grade 4. By adding what? By adding they and e plus est to the adjective. Est to the adjectives. To the adjective. This form of adjective expressing what? What can I use it? To compare one by more than one person. To compare one by more than one. To compare one by the most. By one by the most. One by the most. Sorry. One by the most. Like what? Like we say Ahmed, for example. I will give you the example to understand what I say. Ahmed is the tallest one. Ahmed is the tallest one, for example. Ahmed is the tallest one. From the example, it will be know what I explained. Okay, Ahmed is the tallest one in our class. In our class. In our class. Okay, this is the superlative. So I compare Ahmed with what? I compare Ahmed by their colleagues. So Ahmed is the tallest one in our class. No one is taller than Ahmed. This is the superlative. This is so in adjectives of one syllable. Okay, one syllable. Adjective of one syllable. Okay. One syllable. Okay. In more than one syllable, what can I do in this form? In this form, in more than one syllable, like what? Like beautiful, like beautiful, like beautiful, like careful, like comfortable. This is what? Like comfortable. This is what? This is adjective more than one syllable. What can you do in this form of the adjective? By adding the most plus the adjective. Adding the most plus adjective. Okay. I think I explained the superlative in the simplest way to know. Okay. I explain and make a comparison between the comparative and superlative. Last video we took last year last sorry last video we explained the comparative form. In this unit I explained the superlative form. I explained now to understand when I answering the questions. Let's go to our lesson. Let's continue our lesson. Okay. Here we have Rami is taller, the tallest. Here, as we explained in the previous slide, we saw what that tallest we have must be followed by what, by they. Okay, they tallest. Not say tallest without they. So can we put tallest here? No, it's wrong. Can we put tall here? No, no. So the comparative form I can know it by what? By adding er and then. So the suitable answer it will be this one. Rami is taller than Adil. So I compare two persons with each other. The crocodile is space than. Here we have then. And dangerous is the adjective of what grade 4. I'm listening to saying event to syllables. So I put what? More dangerous. The goat is shorter than the zebra. So here is we have er, shorter than. Then written like this. Don't want anyone written like this. Okay. Take care when you write it. Okay. When you select. Okay. This have a meaning and this is another meaning. So must take care when you selecting. Here is shorter than. Maha is thinner or thinnest. Here is we forget that. So the answer it will be the thinnest, the last one. Today it's space than yesterday. So here we have then, so it will be warmer. Zebras are less important. More important, more. Zebras are what are important. So I select this one. Sorry, here is Maha is sin, not sin. Is sin. Okay, I'm have a mistake here. Here we have Maha is sin. Today it's warmer than. Zebras are important. Let's answer the superlative degree. I explained in the I explained to you on the board, and it's not difficult. As we told that the superlative form must be have they and est like this. The strongest, the tallest. In the two syllables we use the most and the or the least. If we want to expressing the something is not more, saying the least. Okay. This is something not the most, is the list. Okay, we have the most beautiful, the most colorful. Okay, let's go to another to answer the question below. Here we have there is not much rain in the desert. Plants that live in the space don't need the plants live in the desert don't need a lot of water. Farmers can't space plants can farmers can't grow. We have here, as we told you, that the verb grow, it's used with what? With plants and crops. Okay. Here we have rearrange as we told before that we have the rule here, the subject plus verb plus object. I explained to you that this rule is for statement form. If we do it in the question form, what can I do? I replace the verb in instead of what? In instead of subject. Let's answer this question. Leave, you do. So the answer it will be where do you live? So the answer it will be where do you live? Here we have a question and I answer it like this. Where do you live? I answer two of this sentence. I leave the rest to do it as a homework. Where do you live? And I would and at the end of the sentence it will be what? It will be a question mark. Grade 4, I would like to say you a note. Don't forget in the punctuation or in the rearrange. We must, if the sentence is interrogative form or question, Don't forget to put the question mark at the end of the sentence. And if you forget it, you have half mark is minus half mark. Okay. Take care when you answer the two questions. The rearrange. In rearrange, you must put the question mark, and in the punctuation form, if we have the sentence, the question must put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay. They have is they have. So the answer it would be I have the heaviest bag. 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 But, I will leave the rest to do it as a homework. I will leave the link of this file below the video to answer the question and send it to me. Okay, I will leave it to you to answer again. Let's go to another one here. My city is a space place to live. Is this here is we have the superlative form that, so the answer to be nice. I think the rose is space flower. If the space flower is the most beautiful flower. Lucas and his farm. We have here run water, dry, polluted air, far. Here we have the base word and the adjective of the word. Means the base word means the, like when you say in like we say in the when you do the word in the infinitive form. Here we have beauty, beautiful, care, careful, color, colorful, use, useful, help, helpful. Let's answer the questions below. I will leave the rearrange to route as a homework, and I see you how to do it. Okay. When there is no water in the land, it becomes what? It becomes dry. This one. They used rainwater to space the seeds to water the seeds. He leaves the space afar. He lives. He lives. He lives. Uh, he lives. He lives next to farm. He lives next to farm. Ali space, he drives carefully. Ali is care. So the answer it will be care because in care is coming from careful coming from the adjective care. Here we have writing thunder, pipers, and sunlight. Space is a special plane. Which one is special plane? Purpose. The sunflower opens and space the sun opens and faces. The shoot starts to grow, space the soil. Grow above the soil. Like this. As we told you, the short is above the soil, not under the soil. Like this. I will go to the picture and show you. Above the soil. It is above, not under. It's above. Another one, purpose needs a lot of space, water to grow. A lot of. Okay? We plant the sunflower seed. We plant the sunflower seed. We plant the sunflower seed. Sunflower seed in the soil. So I select this one by this one. Ancient Egyptian used purpose to make paper. So this one by this one. The shoot grows space, grows what grows above the soil, above the soil. Bulbs grows in what in bulbs grows in what in the Nile Delta. In the Nile Delta. Here we put a seed in the soil. This is true or false? True. As the seed needs sunlight and water to grow, yes, both, because the plant needs both. Needs sunlight and water, both is important. The seed grows roots above the soil. No, roots not above. It's under the soil. The full plant grows leaves and flowers. Yes, it will be right. We need good space to grow good plants. We need what? We need good seeds. The sunflower is a space flower. Is the heaviest. This one. Why? Because as we told you that there comes the superlative. There comes before the adjective of the superlative form, like this. The heaviest. The root, the plant roots grow space the soil. We can't see them well. So the roots grow what? Can't see them well. Can when we go above, can see? Yes, above can see. So it will be what? It will be under, grow under the soil. Barbus is very space plant. It's very special plant. Not poor, not bad, not ugly. Um, Barbus is a very special plant. It's famous because ancient what? Ancient Egyptians use barbus to make paper. They also make sandals and baskets from barbus. From barbus what? From barbus plant. Needs a lot from barbus plant. Needs a lot of water and warm weather. Warm weather here. Warm weather. Let's answer the question. The next question. The desert is a habitat. So I select this one by this one. We plant a seed, or plant a seed what in the soil. In the soil. A rose is more what is more beautiful than this one by this one. Egyptians use purpose or use purpose what to make a paper. Make paper. I select this one by this. Here is the text. I will read it, and I would like to guess with me the how to answer the question. It's important for you to read the text well to answer the question. Anna lives in the village near the river. Near the underlined word means that we are asking you about this word. Okay, you must know. You must when we read, you must read very well to know what the question what the question wants from you. Amma lives in a village near the river. Farmers grow many fruits and vegetables there are for us to eat. They grow onions, tomatoes, and rice. Farmers grow apples and oranges too. There are a lot of plants near the river. Plants near the river need a lot of water. Let's answer the question. Here, the underline near is the opposite of what? Is far or close or behind or about. Something is near from me. The other one is what is far from me. Farmers need space to grow plants and vegetables. Need what? Need water. Okay. Can the farmers need food or need onions or need vegetables? No. Need what? Need water. We know here in this farmers need water. Need water here because they're near river, so they need what? They need water. Okay. Where does Amal live? Amal lives what? Where? As we explained you the keyword question, where ask about what? About the place. So where does Amal live? So here we say Amal lives. What can I put S here? Because we have does. Amal lives what? It lives in a village near the river. So the answer it will be this one. Another one. What do farmers grow? Grow what? Grow. Let's go to know in this text. Grow what? Grow. Farmers grow apples, oranges, onions, tomatoes, and rice. Okay, this is the crops that farmers grow. Okay, I will leave this exercise to do it as homework. Here we have punctuate. As we told you in the punctuate, we must underline the wrong letter that we corrected. Here we have purpose, and this sentence is in the beginning. As we know rules of English, but the beginning of the sentence it will be with what in capital letter. So here we write be here in capital letter. So this letter it will must be written in capital letter. So I underline the I underline I underlined it to correct it like this. Purpose in small letter I write it in capital letter, and at the end of the sentence I put what? I put a full stop. Here we have a paragraph. Here we have a paragraph. I will leave it to do it as a homework. as we told you that I will make you a video how to write. I will make you a video about the paragraphs that we learned during the year. Next video. Today I finished unit 3. Next class I will start unit 4. Thanks a lot until you meet again. Goodbye.